Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to quit in Shopify. So simply, in order to quit, there are some methods there. So just if you want to quit in Shopify, like that, if you want to leave the store, just click on settings, and now here you can see our setting is open. So now after when you open the setting, just you have to click on plans, and now here in plans you can click on delete deactivate trial, and after that here select the option like any reason and click on deactivate. So this is very convenient way to quit in Shopify.